Hi guys, Joe from Prepper in the Woods, and here are some useful knots for bushcraft and just about daily life. Let's go. Alright, starting first off with the easiest, which is a simple clove hitch. So I'm just going to put my rope over and then cross over underneath that way, and then come up the middle that way, and then just tighten it up. And that's a very simple clove hitch. I'm trying to do it that way so my big hands are not in the way of the camera. So if I was going to do it normal, I would just do that, go around that way, take it and shove it up the middle, neaten it up, and that's it. Okay, and if I did it, say, on a side angle, so if you're positioned like this, it will look the same. Over, and you can see me go over that one there, come around up the middle, and then tighten up, and there you have it. I'll just do it one more time this way in case my big hand was in the way. Over, over, and then under, then just neaten it up. Okay.